I'm a mouse. Duh. Actually, I'm pretty sure these are cat ears, but you know what? Who cares? This isn't that National Geographic, so. What's up, guys? It's Amber in my natural habitat, being insane in my home. So, yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up? You'll get the hang of things pretty quickly. So, today, per the usual, we're playing dress up. One of my most requested costumes for DIY is a Greek goddess, so I thought, duh, I'ma do it. So instead of me rambling for 400 years, we're gonna go ahead and bippity boppity spook the look. So without further ado, here we go. My DIY Greek goddess costume transformation. Woo, I'm excited. Total side note, look at that cat eye with the cat wing. Zam, okay.
So like I had said before, I'm super inspired by this like Greek god idea. And also, of course, we're going to pull a lot of inspo from this Kendall Jenner look, actually, which so many of you asked me to recreate. So I'm going to do kind of my own spin on it since I already did a fairy and don't want to do it again. So
as with all my DIYs, it starts with the ingredients. So here is what I bought for this project. Basically, I just bought a bunch of stuff on Amazon like always. But we'll start with the skirt. So for the skirt, you can see we've got these. I use these in my DIY angel costume. Basically, this is actually, I believe, meant for a man's neck, but that doesn't matter. We're gonna make it into a skirt. Ta-da! This is gonna be perfect.
So first things first, we're going to do the skirt. So you can see I just went ahead and laid out the little feathery skirt, and we got some gold spray paint here. And I'm literally just going to go ahead and spray that right onto the feathers until they are all covered in the gold. So you can see now that's nice and literally, yeah, all nice and gold. Pretty dang cool. So let that dry for a second. Then we're gonna go ahead and take these gold feathers. I bought these also on Amazon. And we're gonna take a glue gun, and we're just gonna add a little bit to the skirt here. So I'm literally just gonna flip one of the layers over and just hot glue gun some extra feathers onto it to make it a little bit shinier, a little more full, a little more glam. To clean up the edges, I went ahead and clipped the tips off a bunch of the feathers here and went ahead and glued those on there again with the hot glue gun. So it is all layered, all nice, all fabulous, all fierce, all gold and feathery. Oh my God, look at that. Fantastic. Okay, so now we're gonna do the top. I got this little gold bralette top thing. You can use anything, but literally all we're gonna do is glue some feathers on this too to match. So bust out the hot glue gun again. Literally just kind of, you can see some of them are tilted one way and some are tilted the other way. It's not that serious, but you know, if you wanna make it look extra perfect, you can go ahead and organize those like that and then just hot glue them on into kind of whatever arrangement you want, really, one by one until they sort of flare out, you know, covering the entirety of the bra cup until it's all feathered up. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's crazy. So then you're gonna wanna obviously cover up this little like area too. So clip the tips off some of the feathers and just hot glue those on there. So the whole thing is covered and gold. Voila. So now we got the top and we got the bottom. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good. Okay, now to the wings. These are the wings that I bought off Amazon. Again, they are just white, kind of plain, nothing too special. So we're obviously gonna make them fabulous.
Let's do this.
So same thing again, gonna go ahead and spray paint that with some gold spray paint, da-da-da-da-da. I ran out, so that's why the middle is not done, but you know, you kind of get the gist. Take the extra gold feathers again, another hot glue gun moment, and we are just going to kind of add in, see like the outside of the feathers, we're gonna go ahead and flare them up more with some extra gold feathers. So you just literally hot glue gun those in. Very similar to my angel wing tutorial. You guys can check that out for a full, you know, in-depth wing tutorial. And
oh my God. This is gonna be such a good costume. Oh, a look. Even from far away, it's amazing.
so now we're gonna do the headpiece. I got this little green headpiece thing, also off Amazon. How's that for an angle? And ta-da, shocker, I spray painted that again. Great, just spray paint everything. It's your answer to everything. So what do you know? I did the same thing. Some underwear that I forgot to take a before shot of, but yep, get some underwear. Just spray glue here and some golden gold powder. I literally just dipped the underwear in the gold powder to turn them gold. This is hilarious. Yeah, now I have gold underwear. Pretty cool.
For shoes, I got these killer Renee Caravilla shoes that I got on Poshmark. Oh my God, these are so cool. Look at this. They even have a little snake head. Fabulous. So these are gonna be our shoes.
So I want to turn the shoes kind of into like an Achilles heel or Hermes heel, Hermes heel. I don't know the proper way to pronounce this. Don't kill me. But got this little Party City headband thing. I'm going to trim that in half so it's 2 pieces like this. Then you can just wrap that around your ankles like so. I've gone ahead and busted out the gold feathers again because the gold feathers are everything. So we got the gold feathers. I hot glued some of those together until they look like a mini wing. Hot glued them onto the little thing, and boom, when you wrap that around your ankle, it looks like you have a little winged heel. Cool! Made 2 of those, obviously. And now to some more accessories.
Okay, so for an accessory, I thought it would be fun to have a bow and arrow. Hi, baby boy. Hello.
So we got this bow and arrow thing from the Disney store.
And we're gonna turn it into like a Cupid-y arrow,
So literally I just went ahead and took this and I spray painted it again, shock of the century with gold spray paint, da 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 da. Went ahead and trimmed off some edges of the feathers again, but this time we're gonna use this part. So I went ahead and just hot glued that onto the edge of the little arrow thing so it looked all fancy. And we made our own little Cupid feather arrow. Fun, fun.
Hi, baby. Oh my God, so you can see it all on the floor here. We have half the skirt, the other half the skirt's over there, but this will be the front of the skirt. We got the top, we got the little halo thingy, we've got some accessories, we got the underwear, we got the wings. I ran out of spray paint, that's why that's a little weird, but we got that. Our little ankle things, oh my God. All right, time to put it on. Ba-da-da-da. Drum roll, please. We're actually not gonna put it on yet. It's time to get me ready so we can put it on. As you can see, I already have my full glam on, but we need to make this more like Greek goddessy. I probably should take these off. Sad day. I don't have as much attitude without these. Okay, so let's Greek goddessify our hair and makeup. All right, so what are we going to do to this? Add glitter. I actually just got this like yesterday. Look at that. I'm just gonna put this like everywhere, I think. Ooh, yes. Very nice. Oh! Okay, what's next? I already have a bunch of highlight on, but we're gonna put on some more of this. Whatever. The more the merrier. We're actually gonna put some of my old eyeshadow palette on it, I think. You guys always ask when I'm gonna bring this back. I wish I could wink, but stay tuned, okay? Woo! That's beautiful. Oh my God, so sparkly. I don't really know what else to do, to be honest. Maybe some more glitter. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I literally just put glitter everywhere. So, all right, I don't know, I guess that works. Okay, so for hair, don't laugh. I don't know how to do my hair literally at all, so I had to buy a wig that looks exactly like my hair, but it's actually styled, so. All right, we're gonna do some, oh my God, that's not what the, wow. Disturbing. 0 to hero. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. Okay, we gotta actually put this on right. Hold on. This is not the sexiest thing you've ever seen. Honestly, work. Okay. Oh God. I should really watch a wig tutorial. What's happening? Very Farrah-Fawcett. Okay. Cool.
So after that disaster of a get ready with me, it was time to put on all the accessories. So we put on my necklace, these little arm cuffs that I got. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Of course, my fabulous little hairpiece that I got together.
Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so beautiful.
Until we were all set up, and now it's actually time for the grand reveal. Are you ready?
Ooh, are you guys ready for this? Boom! O-M, wow! Iconic. OMG! I think this might be the best Halloween costume I have ever made. Wow, wow, wow. It just came out actually amazing. I look just like a little Cupid. Stupid Cupid, stop hitting on me. The shoes is such a serve, OMG. Now I can run faster to the mall. When all is said and done, you believe God is a woman. I have the worst singing voice in the history of ever, but like honestly, this is just a whole ass look. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my God, this. You can see the top and the skirt is absolutely freaking fire. The wings, oh my God. These wings are actually fire. And they match my at you. Totally twinning. George, do you love it? Yeah? Me too, honey. I would say we absolutely frickin' nailed it. Abso-frickin-lutely. Now that's a look. Boom. I love it. So there you have it, you guys. That was my little Greek goddess DIY costume. Hope you enjoyed the silly little vlog video. Of course, as always, if you do any of my DIYs, please tag me on Insta. I love to see them. And I will see you guys next time. Happy Halloween, and remember this always. Costume or not, you're always a goddess. Never forget it. Till next time, my loves. XO. Harry Styles, I'm coming for you.